Home security mistakes are expensive and sometimes irreversible. Please watch the full video to know which product is the best, because today I'm breaking down the top 5 best security camera systems of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one gives you the best protection, smartest features, and real-world reliability. Whether you want full 24/7 recording, solar-powered wireless security, AI motion detection, or advanced PTZ tracking, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right system without wasting your money. Let's start the countdown. From number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ANNKE 3K Lite Wired. The ANNKE 3K Lite is a reliable wired CCTV system designed for stable, continuous home surveillance. It includes an 8-channel DVR, 8x2 megapixel cameras, AI human and vehicle detection, H.265 plus compression, smart dual light night vision, and a 1 terabyte hard drive pre-installed. Review highlights. This system delivers consistent 24/7 recording with minimal downtime. The AI detection helps reduce false alerts, while color night vision improves visibility in low light conditions. It is ideal for full property monitoring. Pros: 24/7 continuous wired recording, AI human and vehicle detection, includes 1 terabyte hard drive, strong night vision performance, stable and reliable system. Number 4. SOLIOM 5-megapixel wireless. The SOLIOM 5-megapixel wireless outdoor system includes a 4-camera solar-powered kit with 3K color night vision, 360-degree auto motion tracking, and dual-band Wi-Fi support, 2.4G and 5G. It requires no subscription and offers wireless installation. Review highlights. The SOLIOM system delivers sharp video quality with strong motion tracking and reliable solar charging. It performs well for outdoor home monitoring, especially in areas without easy power access. Pros: 5-megapixel ultra-clear video quality, solar-powered wireless operation, 360-degree motion tracking, no subscription required, dual-band Wi-Fi support. Number 3. ANSQUE Wireless. The ANSQUE security camera system offers a 4-camera wireless setup with solar power, local storage, 365 days battery life, 360-degree PTZ coverage, auto tracking, and 2K color night vision. It is designed for long-term, low-maintenance home security. Review highlights. The system performs reliably with strong battery efficiency and smooth motion tracking. The 360-degree PTZ coverage ensures fewer blind spots, making it a solid all-around home security solution. Pros: long 365 days battery life, solar-powered operation, 360-degree PTZ tracking, 2K color night vision, no subscription required. Number 2. aosu Wireless. The aosu 4-camera kit is a popular wireless security solution featuring solar power, 360-degree pan and tilt, auto tracking, 2K color night vision, and no subscription fees. It is designed for easy installation and smart home integration. It focuses on convenience and full coverage security. Review highlights. The aosu system offers smooth app control, accurate motion detection, and reliable solar charging. Its 360-degree coverage significantly reduces blind spots, making it ideal for complete home perimeter security. Pros: solar-powered wireless system, 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, 2K color night vision, no monthly subscription, easy installation and setup. Number 1. eufy Security 4K NVR Security System. Taking the top spot is the eufy Security S4 Max, a premium 4K PoE wired NVR security camera system designed for professional-grade home protection. It features triple-lens bullet PTZ cameras, 360-degree PTZ coverage, 8x auto zoom, cross-camera AI tracking, smart video search, 24/7 continuous recording, and a 2 terabyte hard drive with support up to 16 channels. Review highlights. The S4 Max delivers extremely sharp 4K video with intelligent tracking that follows movement across multiple cameras. The cross-camera AI system and auto zoom make it one of the most advanced home security setups available today, offering near professional surveillance quality. Pros: true 4K Ultra HD recording, advanced AI cross-camera tracking, 360-degree PTZ coverage with auto zoom, 24/7 continuous recording, 2 terabyte HDD included with expandability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, coverage, AI tracking, storage capacity, installation type, and long-term reliability, the eufy Security 4K NVR System S4 Max stands out as the best security camera system of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.